After showing us marketing materials for the Pixel 11 and Pixel 11 Pro Fold, Evan Blass aka Ed of Leaks is back today with the Pixel 11 Pro. The design is similar to that of the Pixel 11, but the Pro has the Pixel Glow Round RGB LED light on the back, which will be used for notifications and such. The Pixel 11 Pro's camera bump is now fully glass-clad, there's no more metal bit on the right side. The camera island also seems to protrude ever so slightly more than in the Pixel 10 Pro. Gemini Intelligence is once again advertised in these marketing materials. The Pixel 11 Pro's telephoto camera will support 120x digital zoom. The Pixel 11 Pro is powered by the Tensor G6 SoC, features 16GB of RAM. The Google Pixel 11 series will officially launch at the Made by Google event on August 12, 2026. The base Pixel 11, the Pixel 11 Pro, the Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the Pixel 11 Pro Fold. A 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 120Hz or 144Hz refresh rate. A triple rear setup including a 50MP main sensor, 48MP ultrawide, and a 48MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom. Anticipated to house a 4,870 mAh battery with support for up to 45W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.